In this video, I really want to walk you through the Trust Wallet, okay, and make sure that you understand all the features that is in your Trust Wallet. When you go into your Trust Wallet, the first thing you see is your balance, okay. You want to see your balance, like here you'll find me have $71.90, okay, and then you have send. All right, if I click on send, I'll choose whatever token I want to send to who. So if I click on send, for example, maybe I want to send BNB to someone, I'll put the person receiving wallet address, I'll put the amount, and I'll click on send, okay? That is to send money. I'll click on continue and I'll confirm. That is how you send token from one person to the other. Let's say I want to send the P token, I'll put the the recipient wallet address, okay? And of course, if I also want to receive money, let's say I want to receive BNB, or what token do I have, I will click on receive. Receive means that I want to have my wallet, okay? I'll have my receiving wallet address. So when I click on receive, click on BNB, I'll now click on copy. Copy, that is to tell you that I have copied my receiving wallet address, or I can send this QR code to the person. Once I send the QR code to the person, now this person who can scan and send me BNB. All right, so I might want to receive maybe fake token. I will click on this fake token, I'll copy the receiving wallet address, and I'll send to the person who wish to send me this token. Okay, so you have also buy. From send, receive, you have buy. Let's say you want to buy any of this token. All right, so you have areas where you can connect, like Binance connects. You have the rates, all right, you can buy more BNB from there. Okay, so when I click on next, for example, it will now take me to where I can buy Binance, okay, where I can buy BNB. So it's connecting me to Binance.com. All right, so I can, if I want to buy here, I'll maybe accept all cookies. This is when I want to buy. All right, you want to buy some BNB. So but most of the times it's preferable for you to just buy peer-to-peer. You want to buy BNB, just buy peer-to-peer from someone who already has BNB. It's very easy for you to get it peer-to-peer. Sometimes going through some of the exchanges might be a little bit tedious for you to get them. Okay, so swap means that you want to swap from one currencies to the other. All right, you swap from one currencies, or you want to swap one token to the other, and you have the different percentages here. And while swapping, you have to make sure that you have the token in question, the token you want to swap to. You want to get let's say you want to get maybe fuel token, for example. So I'm swapping from BNB to this. All right, I want to swap maybe 25%. all right, if I'm swapping 25%, when I click on swap here, all right, this is what I'm going to have, and this process is usually instantly. And when I click on confirm, I'm swapping. All right, I'm swapping, instant swapping without passing through pancake swap. All right, so the first thing you want to do is that if you want to swap instantly, you click on swap here. All right, let's say I want BNB, I'm swapping my BNB, all right, to I'll come here and I select what I want to get. Let's say I want to get fake token, so I'll put fake token here like this. All right, I'm going to put fake token here, and this is it. And if I want to spend sorry, fake token, select that again. All right, so I'll go back here. All right, so the first thing here is what, guys? The first thing is you pay. All right, you see that BNB, and you get, let's say I want to change this to fake token. All right, so I'll just come and select fake token, or any token of my choice. Okay, maybe I want to have Polygon, so I'm going from, oops, there's a little bit of mistakes here. All right, so if I'm swapping like this, I can put 25% of what I want to get, and you see the figure coming out, and then I'll just go to swap. So you have to make sure that you are swapping, what you are swapping is up and what you want to get is below. So you just go to confirm. When you click on confirm, that is how you actually get the token you are swapping to. All right, so that is it, guys. And you also have exchange. All right, you want to exchange maybe BNB USDT you want to buy or you want to sell. That is how you can exchange. We want to change it to what? To BNB, buy BNB, place an order. You can also have all this in your Trust wallet. So the Trust wallet is very, very easy for you to use. And of course, if you see these three signs up here, this signs here stands for some tokens that you want to enable. Maybe there are some tokens like Cardano, you haven't enabled them. You want them to be on your dashboard like Dogecoin. You just enable them like this. Polkadot, you can just enable them like this. Avalanche, this is to tell you that you want this token to be on your dashboard. So when you click on enable like this, you actually have this token on your dashboard. So if I come here, all those tokens that I enabled them, I'll now be able to have them here in my dashboard. So that is how you actually enable tokens. Okay, that is how you can enable token and find them directly on the dashboard. Okay, so